You saw our AI family last week. Here is how we build yours. Step 1. We learn your brand, your voice, your colors, your customers. Step 2. We build your AI family from our template, 5 roles. Step 3. We inject your soul. Your AIs wear your brand, not ours. Step 4. We test against your real content. Step 5. We deploy to your team. Your VA edits the system. You edit the personality. Then your family starts shipping. Meet Woody, the head of the AI family for Wooden Woodworks. Built in days. Live now. Right now, Woody is working on Wooden Woodworks' brand new website. Watch this space. When it goes live, we will share the whole process. If you want a family like this for your business, message us at Balay ni Bruno and Company.